Susan hasn't seen him either. Alana, Billy didn't just run off. He ran away.
Joey, I'm worried. What if we're right?
About his mom?
Yeah. I mean, let's just say she does know about Billy. Could mean his dad knows too.
If both his parents know he's gay, he might never come back.
Oh, God, what are we gonna do?
Sorry. Joey, have you heard anything? No, not yet. Here, sit down. Sit down. You want anything?
No, nothing.
I don't mean to be a jerk here or anything. Yes, but why are you so worried? Billy hasn't been gone that long.
Long enough! I'm sorry. I don't mean to snap. It's just that I'm very afraid that Billy might... Oh, God.
Wait. You don't think Billy would try to kill himself, do you? Billy is not going to kill himself.
Yeah, why would he do that?
He's young. He's scared. It happens.
No, not Billy, Miss Douglas. I know him. Look, Joey and I have been looking everywhere for him. Sooner or later, we'll find him.
Yeah, we hit the phones as soon as you told us.
But he's been gone too long. He's been missing since...
Virginia? I'm sorry, I couldn't help it over here. Billy's missing?
Mm-hmm.
Is he still upset over this business with Andrew and all the questions that were asked? Is that what caused him to run away?
No, he had a disagreement with my husband.
A disagreement?
Well, Billy took part in the rally to support those suspended police officers, and Walter found out about it. He saw him on television, no less, and he ran down to the demonstration to get him out of there.
That's what they fought over, the rally?
No, I mean, yes. This was just the last straw of something that has been building up for quite some time now, and it finally all came out, and nothing will ever be the same. Joey, promise me you'll continue to look for him.
Well, of course he will.
I think the police should handle it.
How many Joeys are there here?
Joey!
If you don't mind, I'd like to speak for myself, okay?
Joey!
I think that you and I need to have a little chat. Sweetheart, sit down, please. Joey, your friend Billy means a great deal to you, doesn't he? Yeah. And I think whatever is going on with him must be as serious as Mrs. Douglas seems to think it is, because otherwise you wouldn't be so upset. Now, do you have any idea what it is?
No, not really.
Joey, Billy had a terrible fight with his father, and he ran away. Now, you and Alana are combing this town looking for him. I think you might have some notion as to what's bothering him so much.
Billy's private like that.
Something has happened to the Douglases, okay? Their whole family's being pulled apart. They are definitely a far cry from the happy trio we met a few months ago, right? Now, have Mr. and Mrs. Douglas changed? No. No, it's Billy. And this change in him, in his behavior, his demeanor, started when Andrew was accused of seducing him. Something about that incident, Joey, affected him very profoundly. It struck a very deep chord in him. Honey, this really has nothing to do with what Andrew is, does it? But it has everything to do with what Billy is, right? Because Billy's gay, right? Well, it certainly explains everything. Billy Douglas is gay.
Joey, I just took a look at that cave you call a room. What do you say, clean it up a little? At least so we can see the floor.
Right now?
Right now may already be too late.
Okay.
Billy is gay.
Yeah, you heard.
Yes, I heard. I wish I hadn't.
Why are you so angry?
Because I don't want Joey getting involved with some
what? Please finish your sentence.
with some controversy that could blow up in his face. First, he started working at that community center. And then he starts marching with a bunch of agitators and malcontents.
Oh, come on. Andrew Carpenter is a malcontent.
Honey, this thing is a powder keg that could blow sky high, and Billy Douglas being gay is just a spark that could set it off. Now, if we didn't try to protect our kids from this kind of mess, we wouldn't be parents, we'd be criminals, not parents.
If Joey feels that it's right to stand by and to stand up for his friend, there is no way we can forbid him to do that, Clint. I mean, this goes to the very heart of everything we have taught him. Loyalty to principles, to allies.
To family? What about family? You left out family. But then you've been leaving family out quite a lot lately, haven't you?
What are you talking about?
I am talking about you spreading yourself so thin lately. Writing articles in the Banner. Cheerleading Andrew at every meeting and rally under the sun. Helping Sloan do God knows what. And now you're part of some posse that's out looking for some little gay kid. These outside issues are tearing this family apart, Vicki. It's no wonder that Joey is getting uppity and popping off to us all the time. He's pulling away from the family, but he's only following your lead.
Clint!
I can feel my family slipping away from me, and I want it back. And I want you back here at home. Now, if you feel that you have to stand up for something so badly, how about standing up for Kevin in his custody fight? At least that is a family concern.
I'm very sorry. I cannot simply snap my fingers and make what is very important to me just go away, Clint. Nor do I want to. Now, my work at the Banner and at the vestry is part of my life, and it's very important to me, and it always has been. And you have always known that. As far as Kevin is concerned, I am vehemently opposed to what he is doing. I think it is cruel and wrong, and you know it, and quite frankly, I'm astonished that you would go along with it. And as far as Joey is concerned, you have always been my staunchest supporter in dealing with the children, in making sure they know what is right, and making sure they know that they must fight for what they believe in. Now, why are you fighting me on this? What has changed in you? What has happened to you in this family?